Let's see how much snow we have on January the 26th, 2026, after the snowstorm. It's in the backyard, close to the garage. That looks like 13 inches of snow. Now I'm gonna check in the driveway to see how much snow we got. Driveway. Driveway looks again like about 12 inches of snow. See what the steps look like as far as snowfall. Looks like maybe 8 inches. So I'm looking down at the bottom of the driveway, and I see that the snowplow has trapped me in with over 16 inches of pile up. It's probably more like 18. So somewhere in here is my driveway. I gotta work on this. Probably gonna take me at least 3 hours as a guess. I don't know. But if it's snow that you like, this would be the right place. Just finished up doing the work. Took me 2.5, almost 3 hours. I estimating because I had to take a break. But here's the results. No telling how many cubic feet of snow I actually got up. But I'm satisfied.